It's a warm March day in Fairfield, Vermont, and everyone at the Trudell Family farm is working hard and having some fun as they bring in the first agricultural crop of the year, pure maple syrup.
The Vermont brand has always been important to the marketing of maple syrup, and I think it will continue to be just because of our geography. Here in the northern part of Vermont, we make some of the best maple syrup in the world, and you can't change geography.
The future of maple in Vermont is very good, very bright. Everybody wants to know where their food is coming from, and a local product and a quality product, which maple syrup is. It's a family ordeal. The parents and children and relatives and neighbors, that help. We have some neighbors that have helped us for 20 years. Well, I have a lot of favorite parts. I love being in the woods like we were today, checking pipeline. I love being in the sugar house and making a good quality product and having neighbors stop in and visit. And I always get nervous, probably the first part of sugaring, just trying to get everything ready and wonder if it'll all be worth it in the end, but it always works out.
It's phenomenal. You'd think something that is as hard a work as maple sugaring is would be tiring, but it's exciting and it energizes you, because it's just, you walk in the door and the smell of the sugaring, to see those first sample bottles start to line up on the windowsill. It's like, wow, here we go again. And when the weather hits right and it starts to flow, it's just awesome.
It's just part of spring in Vermont, especially for a farm family where we have a lot of hills and trees, and something we enjoy doing every spring.
This has been Kat Trudell, CSC News, Castleton.
See too much air? Follow that.